breaks, but digital stays. A very welcoming morning to everyone present here. My name is Kanak from class 11, along with my friends Priyanka, Ruchi, and Tulsi. I stand before you all to talk about a revolution that fit right in the palm of our hands, which is digital payments and cashless economy. So let's start.
But before we start, I just want to ask a single question from everyone. How many of you people has used UPI before? Okay, fine. If the answer is yes in everyone's mind, then my dear friends, this is the magic of digital payment and how it has become the part of our everyday life. Let's further understand it deeply. Digital payment. It refers to the transactions made electronically from one account to another using devices like your smartphones, PCs, and more. It is basically a method or a medium through which transactions can be done. And there are some benefits of digital payment.
These benefits include instant transaction. There is access to global markets for Indians with lower transaction fees. And the most important part, it is traceable, which means it is also corruption free.
Now, cashless economy. It refers to the economy where most of the transactions happen digitally instead of using physical money. And we can say it is the result or the end goal of adopting digital payment. Now, my dear friends, digital payment and cashless economy are two terms and these terms are connected but not identical. And let's study how these terms are connected or interlinked. Digital payment is the driving force behind the cashless economy. When people start using UPI, online cards, and any other online mode of payment for their daily life transactions. And in simple words, we can understand it as digital payment are the road and the cashless economy is the destination.
UPI. It can perform in many ways. From UPI, QR payments, debit and credit cards, mobile wallet, and many more. UPI. It is the real-time payment system which allows users to interact with transfer money digitally. Credit and debit cards are also used to transfer big amounts of money. There are many methods also, which include mobile wallet, internet banking, and many more.
Maybe so that's enough.
तुलसी अगर एक एक लाइन